Hello, we are the Blizzards, and you are watching 60 Seconds with.
Festival or intimate gig?
Festival.
Yeah.
Just mute him.
Late night or early morning?
All late night.
Late night.
Nights.
Early
Donald
morning.
Trump in one word.
Dumb.
President.
Rich.
Spectacular. Bad.
You're in death row. What's your last meal?
Chorizo.
Carrots.
Trifle. Elephant and Castle chicken wings.
Oh, nice.
Home Alone or Elf?
Elf.
Elf.
I'm alone.
Favorite song at the moment?
Naked sexual.
Yeah.
I concur.
Favorite swear word?
Oh.
No, say anyone you want.
Ball bag is a good word.
Celebrity crush?
Uma Thurman.
Jesus.
Yeah.
Charlize Theron.
Jennifer Lawrence. Can't think of any. Brezzy.
Band that influenced you the most?
Beach Boys.
Hits in Metallica. But
Stone Roses for me.
That's the first time he's ever
Cast.
Stone Roses. That's the weirdest one I've ever.
You kill someone. Who do you call to help bury the body?
Brezzy.
Yeah. Straight away.
I'm a
He's
big lad.
experienced.
With a spade. That's all there is to it.
Exactly.